Hello class, we are ending Unit 1 with Activity 6, and I just wanted to go through and just explain a few of the key parts about it and some of the links that I've created in the agenda. So this is the content here, and the main idea is about finding the main idea. In Unit 1, Activity 6, you'll be going through and looking at summary and how to read an article and summarize it. You can use some of the tools that I put in the agenda that I'll go through in just a minute. And then secondly, you're going to be provided with an article, and you're going to answer some of these questions using the tools that you have here, your own tools, as well as some of the ones that I provided. And you are going to hand in both a practice and an evaluated version of those. So this one here, the final version, is actually the one being marked and graded. So the other one is for feedback. That's just up above this one. And then this one is being evaluated. The other thing that you're doing, in addition to reading, summarizing, and answering questions and showing that you can summarize the main idea of articles in understanding them, is we are going to work on an annotated bibliography. In Unit 1, Activity 5, you were working on APA citation. So we're taking that and we're going one step further. In university, I completed several annotated bibliographies. What it is a summary of the resources that you have that you're going to write a report on. And I did this in social sciences, but also some of our English programs that I had, because I'm capable of teaching both. And an annotated bibliography is simply causing you to go through your resources. So what I would do, I would go to the library, because back in the good old days, we would take out books. And we had to provide an annotated bibliography of the stack of books that we had. That was basically a summary of whether or not those were good resources. And the purpose of it is to ensure that before you start your research, that you've gone through and evaluated your sources. So you're going to be doing that in this particular assignment. You're going to create an annotated bibliography. I have changed it a little bit. It used to be finding 4 or 5 sources and creating that annotation for each source. I have changed it to finding 3 sources and doing an annotation for one of them, and then the other 2 you just provide the bibliographic APA reference or citation in that. Okay, so this is what's included in this one, and I anticipate that this is going to take us some time. So I just wanted to go through the agenda to make sure that you know what resources are available to you to support you through this particular activity. So you're going to be doing 2 summary assignments. One is for practice. There's one that you can use the template that I provided a picture of. And here in the agenda, if you just click on summary template, you can click on this link, open it up, and make a copy of your own so you can use it. You will not be submitting that one, but you can use it in the next step. And so there's also a video here that can show you how to go through and make an article into a Google Doc, and why that might be beneficial so that you can annotate or pick out the main ideas. So there's a video right there. Yes. And so that's a YouTube video. Sorry, I was just looking at it. It says PDF, but it is a YouTube video. So that's just showing you how you can take the article from an electronic link, and you can see it in text of the content. And you can put it into a Google Doc so that you can break it down and then summarize it potentially into this worksheet if that works for you. You can also use your own strategies in terms of summary. So you're going to complete the practice of the summary skills for feedback, and you're going to do that by Wednesday, December 1st. So that would be tomorrow, and you just want to make sure that you are going through and ensuring you get that done on time. It is for feedback, so that Dropbox is open It does not close on that particular date, but the feedback can be used for your final version that is due on Thursday, December 2nd. So once you get through the summary, and there's just some resources here that can maybe help you in doing that, taking the content and turning it into an assignment. The other one is an annotated bibliography. And as I stated before, an annotated bibliography is an evaluation of the sources that you found. So you're going to pick a topic. You're going to find 3 sources, electronic sources. One of them needs to be a journal. And you're going to take those and you're going to, there's a video within the content that I put in there because I use it in my classes and I find it really, really helpful. This one right here. And it outlines the 4 things that you need to have in an annotated bibliography. So that's really important too. So the other thing that I wanted to show you, in addition to the video as to how to do an annotated bibliography, it's from a couple of years ago, so it might be a little bit dated. It might not relate to the same assignment that we're doing, where you find 3 sources and that you're annotating one of them. So it might look a little bit different. I did find an exemplar that I have also posted in there. So all of those links are listed in the announcements. And so this is what an annotated bibliography looks like. It is the citation in APA style with the annotation below it. So citation, then annotation, and it has those 4 things in it. And I have provided 2 and then a list of other sources. You will notice there's more than 3. I just wanted to put lots of exemplars in there or examples so that you can specifically see what it looked like. So all of those will be listed here. Just wanted to remind you that when you go onto the course homepage, you will see this. It's just a picture and you can't click on those, but right below will be a blue link that says click here for schedule and links. And that's how you open this up and you can access all those links. Good luck. I will be having a Google Meet sometime this week. And so that will be posted in the agenda just for you to know that we can meet together. I will also email you that link. So if you have any questions past or about this assignment, you can ask then. Email me anytime and let me know if I can support you.